could be good for me.
Hello guys, good morning. I decided to take myself out on a date.
Lately I was feeling like
I just realized that I've never been out alone to eat, even, or to shop, or to watch a movie. And I'm almost 25, and I feel the need to start at least now. Also, I've been meaning to do this for a long time. I pride myself for being very independent, for living alone, away from home, and then I've never done this. This is literally all the makeup I own, and I still can't find stuff. So, I have a breakfast place in mind I want to go to, and maybe buy myself something cute. I think that's enough makeup. I woke up in a really bad mood. Like, I woke up crying today. I'll tell you. So I wake up and my kitten has peed all over the bed. Yeah, where was I? Oh yeah, so my new kitten has peed all over the bed, and the smell just wouldn't let me sleep. So I literally cried out of frustration. Like, I saw her coming into the bedroom, and then I feel something warm and wet beside me, and I just wake up knowing what I'm going to see. And it was just so frustrating, like so frustrating. And you can imagine how this might put someone in a really bad mood. So I've packed my bag, I have my wallet, I'll take my phone obviously. I have some yarn and some ongoing work. I can do this anywhere. I have a parcel, like an order I want to ship, so that's there. Okay, let's go. I put this out on the Sahara. It's still fresh.
when you talk to me. Give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface.
I really love this house. Like, I make sure I walk past it every time I'm in this particular area. Like, it's so beautiful. It gives such a, I don't know, Mexican vibe. It's like really pretty. But then most of the houses in Bangalore are pretty. I'm not sure if it's open or not. It says 9 in the morning. Let's see. What's it? I shouldn't have come out to sit. Can I get a sunshine in a pan?
Okay, veg or non-veg?
Non-veg.
Non-veg.
And I could walk for days, searching for your place.
So I'm just sitting outside. They were really startled because they didn't expect anyone to come this early. forgetful as that I am, I forgot my charger. And now my phone is about to be dead. I realized that my UPI is not working, so I have a limited amount of cash at my hands. So I'll see, I'll buy something small at least. So I just got some few stuff. I really wanted a top in this color, and then I found these really cute orange pants and really pretty earrings. I should have at least carried a water bottle. Like, I've come home and I'm trying out what I bought. I love it. Just look at the colors. Okay, so I'm done with my date. This experience was really good for me. I finally knew I can just go out and have a good day all by myself, and I sure have the confidence for it now. Thanks for watching.